husband to ready for us will not come for us to gist. Obong, come, let's just now have plenty gist for you. Plenty my telegram. Obong,
Hey,
come, yo. Come here. You didn't say the hair. Check this market. Okay, wait, yo.
Don't
talk to me, don't take me, leave me alone.
Oh, idiot,
What's this one now? You may want to see that. Ngebodin do rukut, ngebodin do tangakbo. Sisi fukun te sadde. Kan media misi for sokod. Yo kudu so bantu material. Tum so ya bantu so na ofin boy area.
Yeah, okay, let my leg be like that. That is how is a generational cause of leg. Tell me leg is not big, my leg is not big, okay?
Anyways, I like you that you're my husband. How are you now? My husband.
And you for good nin. I hope it's not about money and rent. You know that one now. It's okay.
You see, every time money can't play rough with my husband. So I cannot take my husband again. I cannot yoke with my husband.
Stop yoking with me, ma.
Okay, wait, yo.
So what's your problem? So go emojis. What is your problem?
The other house when I get a cover, I'll fair. Where's the money?
Leave my leg. I know it's about money.
I'm dumb now. If I want to talk now, you carry your shoulder up. It's not like that. It's just I'm just asking you the question. Now, where's the money? Did you chop it with small children?
Every discussion with you is about money. It's about money.
I hope you have just spent that money with 2K because you don't have Gucci content.
Well, okay, wait on.
What do you want? You know I have me have this with my husband. What is it?
I want to tell you something.
Can you wait? I'm having a good time with my husband.
Very oyen but well, I want to tell you something. You won't listen. Well, you can't talk. I want to tell you something.
Musa, you can see I'm having my privacy with my wives.
Well, you want to, I won't tell you.
See, Musa, I don't like all this. Why you interfere in my privacy now?
I want to tell you something.
Yes, you know I'm Obong. I don't need disturbances. What's your problems?
Well, you can this talk now when I want to talk. Another year, 2 or 3, no suppose here.
Talk it here, the two of us yet. See, whatever call join together, I become one. So what concern my husband, concern me.
Well, you call me, I know kids saying I could talk more.
You might tell him to talk it now, yeah.
Musa, you can go ahead. My wife is here. We are walk. Go ahead. Don't disturb me. Oh, big man has seen him. You might find me some. We work for Saturday. I be the CC. Song.
Well, you can't talk more.
Aboki me Musa. Somebody don't bong it and I'm with you.
Well, you can make a talk.
Talk it. I tell him to talk it.
Just say it and get out of here.
Well, you can't see that Yan where you bring come yesterday. Hey, wait, mama. What I'm no day. That the mama can yan. You can't say the picking don't get to belly.
What?
Put that here.
I don't. What do you say?
Well, that's Yaninya don't get to belly.
Yaninya, what's Yaninya now, woman?
Well, you can't put it out where the child for it compound yesterday. Okay, you could not say Bahala.
This kind of talk you should have.
They wise.
Send me a text or call me, not in my. Oh, Musa, God will punish you.
You are a mumu man.
Well, you cannot be used to make a talk. I tell you, say now one talk is still they consist. Sorry, insist make a talk.
Why? Oh, what the world?
Why they say talk? I don't deliver. Enemy sit down.
You were talking with big man for whatever you have to say. But if the move finish what king you know wrong on me, you will know that I don't like nonsense. So you're cheating on me. Go we judge you. You could put another kid. You don't have Gucci content. Come we judge you. You don't have Gucci content. You cheat on me. You cheat on me with all the things I've done for you. You don't have Gucci content.
Oh, what the world?
You don't have Gucci content.
Alright, thank you for watching Laff Nation Entertainment. See you next week, Thursday. That is only for the landlord and the wife. So we can upload our video at any given time. So subscribe to
my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we post our new video. For booking, advert, sponsorship, anything business, call this number. Please don't forget to share this video, like and comment. But please subscribe. Please, it's important.
You don't tell.
What the world?